Activating your Spectrum cable box yourself is a cost-effective and increasingly efficient process. First, ensure you have a valid Spectrum subscription, active internet service if activating online, and the self-install kit provided by Spectrum. Connect the cable box to a power outlet, your TV via HDMI or coaxial cable, and the cable wall outlet. Power on the box and look for a welcome screen displaying an activation code. Activate via the Spectrum app or website by scanning the QR code or entering the code manually. Alternatively, call Spectrum's support line at 1-833-267-6094 and provide the code. Newer models guide you through activation directly on the TV screen. Ensure latest firmware for smoother process. Activation takes 10 to 30 minutes, with service confirmation in 15 to 60 minutes. As of October 2025, most residential plans support self-install. While Spectrum reports a 95% success rate for first-time self-install users, some issues may arise. The Spectrum app offers AI-driven troubleshooting to guide you through common problems such as signal strength or HDMI connections. If you encounter difficulties, ensure all cables are securely connected and check for service outages in your area via the Spectrum app or website. A notable trend is the increasing use of the Spectrum app for activation, with over 70% of users opting for this method. This offers real-time video tutorials and AI chat support. Spectrum is also focusing on sustainability, with eco-friendly self-install kits and energy-efficient boxes. Future trends point toward complete digital migration, with Spectrum aiming to phase out physical technicians for 80% of installs by 2027. This includes greater integration with smart home devices and voice assistants. In rural areas with weak cable signals, Spectrum is expanding satellite-backed options as a hybrid solution. For example, a pilot program in Texas combined cable boxes with Starlink satellite to reduce failed activations in low-coverage zones.